Hi, my name is Garrett, and I work in marketing at Adobe. I'm researching a company and need to summarize their recent earnings report. My plan is to write a brief summary and email it to my team to keep them informed. I downloaded the earnings report from the company's website, and I have it open in Adobe Acrobat. Reading through a report and writing a summary can take hours, but with the help of AI Assistant in Acrobat, I can get that done in just a few minutes. I click the Generative Summary button and get to know the document. An outline is created, and I can click through each section. I can use this summary as a basis for my email, or I can take it a step further with AI Assistant. It gives me an overview of the document, suggested questions, and a prompt to ask my own questions. Now I want to ask AI Assistant to draft an email summarizing this earnings report. It responds with a draft of an email summary that includes an intro and key points. I can also click on references to check the accuracy of the summary. The draft includes all the key info I'm looking for, so I copy it to an email that I can refine and send to the team. AI Assistant gives me a new way to get to what matters most. Whether you're in marketing at Adobe like myself or an analyst, you can quickly review a document and draft an email summary in just a few minutes. Now I can update the team in a lot less time and focus more on an important presentation for next week.